These guys are everywhere. There has to be at least 25 of these dumpsters within a 2-block radius of my home in the last month. Good morning, everybody. We're over here in Orangeville today. We got a lot of help. I'm gonna switch this over. Big shout out to Been There, Dump That.
Today's projects brought to you by Been There, Dump That. Once you've had a bin, it's kind of like crack. You'll want them back. No, that's not actually their motto, but I think it should be.
Nice little fella.